here's the app called Pocket AI chatbot AI. So let's just install it and see how it works. There are a bunch of similar apps these days. Yeah, so uses ChatGPT AI PS instead of GPT-3 APIs, and then just powered by the official API of OpenAI. Yeah, as I said, there are a bunch of apps right now trying to use ChatGPT API because also OpenAI, they don't have native iOS or Android app. I don't know for which reason. And sometimes it's just much more convenient to use as an app. For me, like on a mobile, like going to Google Chrome browser and going to Safari and using ChatGPT, like the experience is not the best, to be honest. It still feels much smoother in the app. And if the app is just using the same API, like,
Hello,
so
how
yeah,
can
here
I
you just
assist
have
you?
it. But honestly, some of these apps will just offer you upgrade options, and a lot of ads and all of that. But if I just want to try, just like a free version, let's just see if there is a free version here. So if you just wait a bit, then then there are notifications. Can just write here. And you can see, as well, here's just like too much ads. I don't
Hello,
know. Maybe
how
they
can
will
I?
remove them. Or then, there is also a voice in the top right. You can enable or disable. So if you want, it will be speaking. You can change the speed here. So then, for example, let's see that. So yeah, of course, if I want to disable ad, then I need to upgrade. And to upgrade, you have 3-day free trial, then $50 per year or $7.99 per week. It's pretty expensive, or $19.99 per month, which is basically the price of ChatGPT. So yeah, if I would spend $20 per month, I would just go with ChatGPT Plus official. And then you just have faster access to all the newer models and all of that. However, they still don't have an app, so that's what it is. But meanwhile, this app continues to write a poem about trees. So yeah, you can see it's pretty cool. I'm still like pretty amazed by this. And then here you have Pocket AI keyboard. Solve me an equation, tell me a joke, write me an essay, write me a code, menu, premium. Here you can just see again that if you want to upgrade. Sorry, like it's quite hard to close this. So yeah, that's what you have here. And then you can just follow them on social, and then again. So yeah, that's just a quick overview. Hope you got an idea. In case you're looking for some alternatives for ChatGPT as a mobile app, try out one of these apps.